Wednesday new exercises with my cat Colette again. All right, so we're a lot of these are new, or not new, but we've already done them, and a couple new ones. But I just want to really emphasize a few points so when you get into this, you can go right in without having to hesitate. So 180 pivot squats. So we're going to do a regular squat. We're going to pivot. So I'm going to pivot on this foot here with my back turned to you and squat there. I'll do sideways. So here, hard pivot there into our squat. And you can go down the line or back and forth with these. And we're going to later do, by tomorrow's workout, do a 360 pivot. Good for our balance and, you know, some good coordination in there too. Twister Jills, I call this Twister Jills. I didn't have a better name because we're not doing really anything with our arms, but our arms are staying parallel to the ground. We've done several things with twister legs where my feet are together and skier-like there, but my hands are going to stay out here as I rotate, and my shoulders are rotating forward. I like that for just shoulder mobility and warm up too. So again, feet together. We're just keeping our hands out before we're going there. Twister jacks, twister arms. Forward lunge, elbow to ankle. On this, I'm going to show you the modifications. This does take a good bit of mobility, a little bit of strength and balance in order to get down that low. What I mean is, in our lunge, we're going to take our inside elbow and take it to our front ankle here. And when we do that, our hand goes down, we drop our hips down to the ground, and my back knee touches. And that's what gets me down there. So my back is straight, very similar to a spider position that we get into, all right, here. So I'm getting into a spider position. If we need to modify, and let's say your lunge is here, we can still drop our elbow inside and try to touch our fingertips to the ground. All right, you figure out the modification there, just a pain-free range of motion. And again, the full one, hand down, head up, knee touches, hips down. So you don't want to get there like this, you want your hips down. So you're working on your mobility, flexibility, and strength in your hips. Bear crawl and tabletop. Anytime we say tabletop, really you're talking about your back. That I'm a table, my back is like a tabletop, it's parallel to the ground. So I want to keep that position on my bear crawl. So I just pick my knees up a little bit and keep my back flat to the ground. There. Okay. Bear crawl and tabletop. We'll move back and forth. Skipping, straight leg skipping, opposite hand touch, hand to the ceiling. So straight leg, opposite hand touch here. We're just going to have that hop to our skip. There. Forward and back. If that's not there, you can bend your leg and modify it needed. All right, new movements for Wednesday workout.